Plus, by providing ample storage for your media essentials and a solution to stash away unsightly clutter, the right entertainment unit can also give your decor an extra injection of cleanliness and style. From units with remote-controlled modern fireplaces that make catching up on your favorite TV shows extra cozy, to sleek floating TV stands that keep your floor clear and your media organized. This collection includes it all, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Minimalist wood and white TV stand and panel. A minimalist TV stand with a wood panel that will help keep any room stylish and organized. The double panel design is optimal for hiding away unsightly cords, while the 3 bottom storage drawers are perfect for tucking away movies, games, or any other visual clutter. Wall-mounted TV panel and freestanding TV stand. Functional and sleek,